All right, the boys are still doing school, but I've got a plan. All right, let's go check on the kids.
We don't have very much done either.
Got plans for you boys when you're done school.
What about me? You got a movie?
Boys are still in school. School comes first, and then adventure.
We need to find bottle packs.
Not in there.
Definitely not in there.
Not in there either. We can't seem to find the water packs.
Let's check the shed.
Not there. Load up. Load up.
Can I need the seatbelt?
Yes, you need to do that.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to get dropped off. The adventure begin.
Let's hope we'll make it back.
Yeah, let's hope we make it back. So, Jonah, if we find any caves, what are you gonna do?
Go in it and go as far as I can go till I get stuck.
You're gonna lose your mind.
I'm gonna lose my mind. Yeah, so I'm gonna go, woo! I said, this is the starting of a new adventure.
Either right there, or probably right here, actually. Just follow that tree line. Yeah, this works. All right, let's go. Roll it. You rolling, Silas? Rolling, Silas.
I'm rolling.
All right. Water packs. Love you guys.
Love you.
Bye, girls.
Hey, I need to hug you.
Love you. Bye.
Protect your kids.
Okay. Bye, guys. All right, let's go. No, come on. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
I'll bring that.
All right, we're officially out of the vehicle. Feeling very exposed. We're just walking in an open field. There's dogs barking. Cars are seeing us. We're trying to act all natural. A lot of cars. All right. Gotta get off the. Gotta get off the beaten path. Here we go. All right, we gotta get across this field, get to that clearing over there, and get the cover of some woods. We're gonna run. Let's go.
I think this part's gonna be a little shaky.
All right, we're officially out of the field. We're into the woods, but we've still got some houses over here. So we're trying to get.
Oh my God, flowing.
We need more coverage, Jonah.
We definitely do. That.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna put this away and just run with that for a bit.
I got something new for me too.
Alright, let's be quiet. Let's travel kind of quick, and let's get deeper into the woods. The river's flowing downstream, so let's just follow the river downstream as far as we can.
Okay, guys, we just spotted a cave over there. We gotta be kind of quiet because people live like up there. So we're headed to the cave right now. Enjoy. Okay, that might be the cave right there.
I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but it starts sprinkling. And we found a perfect little spot. What do you think, Silas? You can almost stand up here.
Yeah. So, we reached the cave.
And it's not a cave.
No,
We've reached the cave and it's not a cave.
it's just over.
Look at this mushroom.
Ooh.
Look at this cool mushroom.
Ooh. Hold it still so I can.
I think it's edible.
Still pretty cool, but
No, I'm just kidding. I want to eat it.
ain't what
Yeah, I
we
don't
were
think I'd eat
expecting.
that.
Don't trust myself.
It looks chocolate.
I think I'm gonna chuck it.
Chuck it.
Bonsai!
The rain sort of stopped. We're gonna keep moving.
Just bumped my head.
Should have wore a helmet, huh?
Should have.
Yeah.
Woo!
Check out this cool spot.
So the rain quit.
Cross right here, guys.
The rain quit. Oh, 1 second. We gotta jump right here. Oh. Look at this fresh hole I just found.
And that is not a small animal.
It definitely isn't a small animal.
Hope they don't come out soon.
Me neither. Should we stick the camera down? Yeah, let's mosey on. Sorry.
All right, we're out of here. All right, we found the waterfall,
Okay.
or a waterfall. All right, we're going to check out the waterfall for the first time. Ooh, we're getting somewhere. Whoa, what is this? What is this? Slow down, guys. Slow. Wow, this is the bluff, all right.
To get down there.
Why do we have to go down there, Jonah? We should just go home.
Dad, can you hold my hand? I peek over the edge.
Yeah. Pretty epic.
Dad,
All right, we got to figure out a way down.
that way. We gotta go that way.
Hold on, stay. Watch out, guys. Come, follow me. Follow me.
Following. Quick.
There's an animal path.
Good timing.
Man, the animals sure look at this animal path. Right next to the trail, right next to the edge of the cliff. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
That's an animal path. We gotta get down there, Dad.
I wonder if there's any caves underneath it.
Almost 100% sure there's something. We gotta get down there.
No, we got to.
We have to.
Yeah, it looks like over there
Is the best bet.
is our best bet.
It's still left behind. Over here, it's just lower and lower. So you can see like a spring. So we'll have to get the spring and walk up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Deal?
All right, let's climb up around that side and see if we
Way
can find a way
high,
down.
way.
Here you go, Jonah.
X marks the spot.
X marks the spot. X marks the spot.
Where do we go next?
Hold on.
Then I'm going down there to check it out.
Hey, hold on.
I gotta get down there.
All right, the waterfall is back over that way. Look, I think if we go around this side, I think we can get down. I think we should need to keep going. We need to keep going this way, go down, and then go up the river.
I don't know.
Oh, this is slick over here. Hold on. Let me come back over that way. This is too slick over here. Woo, what?
That tree right there is like not strong at all.
Yeah, and there's all leaves. Yeah, you're good. Just come right here. This is all rocks.
Got it.
There you go.
I just
You can grab that root ball right there too, sort of, if you need to.
Look at this old leaf, Dad.
I know. Be careful.
I think I'm gonna have to go down by that big tree right there that you're holding on to. Wait, Dad, I'm just gonna put all.
You got it. Give
all
it
my
a
trust in that tree right
give it
there.
a slide.
Oh, that was kind of fun.
I can't hear a word you're saying. Yep. Well, this is very bluffy back here. Very bluffy. My first official fall. I made it. I got dirt on my butt. Ooh, possible cave number 3. Maybe a real one this time. Yeah, you just slide on your butt. Woo, watch out, Jonah. This tree's wiggly. If this tree started rolling on you, just hide behind one of those trees. Silas, don't get on this big one in case you knock it loose. Yeah.
If you slide on some small ones,
Sharp rocks. Wow. We were up on top of that, guys. We were just up there. We were just right up there. Whoa. I left a little slide track for you there, Silas.
Thanks.
Not a lot of traction in that one area. Oh. Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this.
I'm pretty sure we lost it. Let's go check out that cave. Lost what? Our flashlight.
So look, guys, we were just up on top of that bluff.
Is the flashlight in this one? Might be, yeah. Okay, I'm just taking the wet path. I got it. So, are we gonna follow that river down? Because I don't want to go back up that. What is it? Also countertop?
Oh, that's
That's
sweet
an epic
slate.
countertop. Epic countertop. Put some 3/4 ounce and cutting board.
Wow.
Look at that.
Look at this carnage when this tree came down. Look at that.
Nasty.
Woo.
This is where I'm seeing crevices. And everybody should know, my favorite thing is crevices. Sorry. Sorry. Sit down myself.
That's a nice little pool. Look at that. Get about swimming that. That's swimmable. Ooh, another one that's swimmable.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, that's cool.
Oh man, Dad. I don't mind walking back and wet. I kind of want to swim.
Right?
Well, we need to come back with a backpack and swimming clothes. Was that weather off that swimming place? Oh,
Hey, Jonah, can you make it across this log without it breaking on you? I doubt it. Wow, that's a lot of rocks. Oh, I'm gonna need the drone, guys. Hey, Jonah, you wanna go get the backpack? Jonah, I need the drone. Yes, I do. Wow.
This place is killing me.
Look at all those leaves. That's like 3 foot deep of leaves. Gotta go get our gear. We left our gear because we got some drone shots that we just gotta get. So let's go back and get the gear. Well, I was going in for the epic drone shot. And I flew too close to a rock, and my propellers hit the rock, and the drone fell in the water. Wasn't totally underwater, so I pulled the battery out right away. But I'm kind of sad. My first time the drone got wet. Look at that. The river dried up. Now we're just walking the riverbed. Look at that bluff though.
What is that?
Oh, nice. Hey, we found some water. Hey, we found a spring. Oh, let's just stick to our good water.
Huh? Oh, cave! I mean, it looks like a cave. I don't think it's kind of small, but that is all the way through. That's
Woo, heads up. Woohoo! Oh, this, with the gear on my back. This is a little. Whew.
I don't know. What's 10? It seems to rhyme.
Jonah's leading the way. We've decided to leave the riverbed behind and head up to the top. Cut through the woods. Start heading home. It's tough. Not to turn around, Silas. Let's call in a helicopter. That moment when you get most of the way up and realize that the hardest part is still ahead of you. Yeah. Riverbed's a long way down though. You can do it, Silas. Right? That's not true. The hardest is yet to come.
That was great shelter.
Careful, guys.
Whew. More rock.
We made it up the hill. Silas is almost here. Whew. There's a field. We're up on the flat. So the waterfall is back that direction. Our house is that direction. Whew, that was hard. That was hard. We
aren't dead, that's what we are.
We're not dead. And we're back in familiar territory. We're on our neighbor's property.
Very familiar.
Heading home. All right, what did we learn? It's a lot of walking. We found a waterfall.
And I think I pushed my body as far as I've ever pushed it.
Yeah, we
Maybe.
didn't find any caves.
Sadly.
Going straight up that bluff was insane.
I loved it. Found a couple of treasures.
Yeah, we'll have to go back and explore the rest of it, but it feels good to know what we've figured out.
Yeah, definitely.
Some really cool spots. All right, next adventure.
See ya.